Hi everybody. You should have already completed the May reflection, which looks like this, and you should have a copy in Google Classroom. In addition to this assignment, the second assignment that you're completing this week is called the 6-word memoir. I'm going to start by telling you what a memoir is. It's similar to an autobiography because you're writing about yourself, but instead of writing about your whole life, you're writing about just a part of your life. Sometimes an author will write a memoir about how they felt during a certain situation. Sometimes they'll write about how they remember a certain situation or a certain time in their life. So again, the biggest difference between an autobiography and a memoir is that an autobiography is about a person's whole life and a memoir is just about one part of their life. Today, the writing that you are going to be doing is modeled after Ernest Hemingway, and he is one of the most well-known authors in the English language. He wrote very powerful, complex stories with simple and direct sentences that grabbed readers and made them pay attention. So he did not use very flowery, elaborative language. Instead, he used very simple, to-the-point language to get his point across in a powerful way. One day, someone made a bet with Hemingway to see if he could write a novel, quote unquote, in just 6 words. He wrote the following: "For sale, baby shoes, never worn." Think about that for a minute. Can you infer a whole story from those 6 words? Most likely, if you're like most people, the story that you might be able to infer is a sad one. Now, you will work with saying as much as you can say about a topic, which is you, in just 6 words. Respond to each of the following prompts, again, in just 6 words. That's the challenge. Take the time to consider which are the 6 best words in our whole language that you can use to get your message across. Keep in mind that, unlike Hemingway, you're writing nonfiction responses about your own life. In this table, you have all of your topics or prompts on the left side. You have one example of mine for each topic or prompt in the middle. And then your job is to write along the right side of the column your 6-word memoirs. What the topics all have in common, again, is that they are about your life and they're memoirs about you. So when you look at my examples, I want you to remember that these are just one type of memoir and they're about my life, but yours are going to sound very different. If you have any questions once you start writing your 6-word memoirs, please let me know, but remember the challenge here is that you're responding to these topics and these prompts using just 6 words. So count carefully, and again, let me know if you have any questions. I hope that you enjoy this assignment. It should be fun, it should let you be creative, and it should let you reflect on who you are and what your memoirs might sound like.